Got the reefer, he's got a nice one.
I had one and something grabbed him. I had a regular one and something else grabbed him.
Really?
He's on the line. This is the biggest fish I've had by far.
Holy mackerel.
It's probably a shark grabbing.
It probably is. I need to pull our lines in, John.
Yeah, you want to get him in.
Yeah, we're gonna need to get in there. Some lines in. He's still there?
He's coming. Oh, he's running. You see him?
Yeah. Oh, it's a big,
Big what?
hang on. Just hold your tip up. He started swimming on us.
Get in there.
It's a big pogie.
Oh my God. That's a vermilion snapper, isn't it? What is that?
Snapper.
Holy mackerel. Awesome.
I don't know if that's a vermilion
If it is, you can't keep it.
or red snapper.
So,
Why, they slot
I
fish?
think that might be a red snapper.